What's up, everybody? Welcome back to World Drum Club. I'm Kalani. Can you say Pachanga? Pachanga. Pachanga. All right, let's go. Oh, hey. Welcome back, you guys. So glad you're here. And are you guys excited to learn the Pachanga rhythm? This is an arrangement, 4 instruments. I'm going to show you all the parts. I'll break everything down. Don't worry. I got you. And by the way, for patrons, there is a notation, PDF, download for a lot of the patterns that I teach. You can get that at patreon.com/Kalani. There's a link below in the description, and the comments are for you guys to leave some nice comments later. But for now, let's figure out what we're doing. So Pachanga is a subcategory of salsa. Some people believe it predates the modern styles of salsa, and it's fun. And we're doing it at a medium tempo. It can get faster, and it probably should. But for now, we're going to learn the clave rhythm, the scraper rhythm, the conga pattern for 2 drums, and I'm substituting a cajon for timbales in this video. So I just want to be clear about that, and I'll talk about all of that and what would be traditional and what I'm doing here. And there's a lot of good stuff coming up in this. I'll also talk about a bongo reference in the conga pattern. The conga pattern is not difficult. If you're a novice player or intermediate player, you can probably do this. Don't worry. Don't worry at all. We're going to start off with the clave because claves are, of course, the key to a lot of Latin, Afro-Cuban rhythms or Caribbean rhythms. In this pattern, in this arrangement, we're doing what's called a 2-3 son clave. And if that doesn't mean anything to you, don't worry. I'm going to explain it. Son clave, there's son clave and there's rumba clave. They're a little different, but son clave, I'm going to play you typical son clave. You've probably heard this, but let's start here. Ba dat dat got dat ba da ba da ba da 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 da. Don't, right? That's what we call son clave. And that's a 3-2 clave because the 3 side comes first. And what do I mean by that? The clave is a 5-note rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's got, and I'm not talking beat numbers right now. I'm talking the number of notes in the actual pattern is 5. If the 3 side comes first, in other words, if it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, we call that forward clave or 3-2 clave. If we take the 3 side and we switch it with the 2 side, we flip it around. So the 2 side comes first. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now we're talking about 2-3 clave or reverse clave. All right, those are the 2 common words. There might be more. In this case, we're doing 2-3 clave. All right, so listen to the pattern again. I'm going to turn up the clave a little bit so you can hear it. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, so this is the ba 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 1, 2. The first bar here. Ba 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 ba. Okay, so just note that when we play 2-3 clave, the first note is silent, the first beat, nothing happening on 1, all right? So that's just something that if you're not used to playing it and somebody counts you in, don't play on the downbeat, all right? You got to wait a beat. You got to be patient. All right, so that's the clave pattern. Let's move on and add the scraper. I'm using this kind of an elementary school touristy sort of scraper guiro thing. It's made of wood. I'm playing it with actually the handle of a little mallet. You can use a chopstick, or sometimes they come with scrapers. Super simple, you guys. We're just doing a down, down, down on the main beats. And then we're doing down, down, up, down, down, up, down. So it's like a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Or 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3. Depends how you want to count it. I don't care. Count it any way you want. So 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. That's all it is. And you could put this sort of rhythm in anything. You could add this to just about anything, and it'll make it better, or at least more scrapey. All right, so that's that. Let's listen to those two. One. One. All right, you guys got that. Now I'm going to add the cajon. I'm going to change the view. Let's go to the side view. This is the cajon right down here. I've got a low sound right here. All right, and then a high sound, a muted sound. So I'm going to add a muffled. So long, short, long, short, long, short, right? And then dot, 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 dot. And this is emulating the cascara, or the shell, playing a stick on a shell on the timbales, or on a drum. The cascara basically means shell. So instead of the timbale shell, I'm playing the corner. Dot, 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 dot. And then we combine those. All right? Nice. Here, listen. All right. Now I'm going to add the congas. I'm going to turn this down a little. Here we go, congas. Let me get my mics set. So I'm going to stay right in this view for right now. And let's break the conga pattern down. Let's break it so we can build it back up. All right, so the first thing I want you guys to know is that the conga pattern is always 100% alternating hands back and forth, right, left, right, left. Oh, and I'm right-handed in this case. So right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Just start there, right? So you can start with dot, dee, dee, dot, dee, dee, dun, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Right? So you can start there, and that stays the entire time. Don't go start doing doubles here and there. You're gonna make it more complicated. All right? So I see this all the time. You guys, I teach a lot of people all over the world. And sometimes people just make stuff more complicated than it has to be. And I'm here to say, make it easy on yourself. Let me help you, all right? So don't try to change stuff up. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, back and forth. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay, now let's add a little. We're gonna add a muted slap on, let's call it 1 and 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I want you to notice my left hand while I'm doing this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. What's it doing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. We're doing this kind of rocking motion, right? Now some people call this heel toe. I like to use the term hand finger. In this case, it is more like rocking. But you could do hand, finger, whatever works for you. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. All right? So now we've got that going. Now we're going to do a kind of a muted slaps on 1 and 3 on the big beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What? We're going to add a tone on beat 4, all right? Every time, every bar, there's a tone on beat 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Now, remember earlier when I said there was going to be a bongo rhythm reference? I believe I said that. This is that time. If you guys know martillo, Tell him I said hi. No. Martillo is a bongo pattern, and usually we're playing martillo like right. Actually, we use our thumb and fingers. Right. So that we're basically playing the martillo pattern. If we do this, we're playing. All right, so that, you guys, is the key to this whole thing. Now let's get back to which hand we're putting on which drum, which tone we're making and when, because that's the only thing now stopping us from reaching the goal of playing this pattern. We know that the basic pattern is all right? The first bar, all right? We're going to reach across the aisle. And we're going to say, hello, tuba. We're going to play the tuba on beat 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Easy. I mean, it's minimal effort. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so instead of sticking on the one drum, which you guys, if you're new to this and you need to hang out with just the one drum, just do this for a minute. That's fine. But when you're ready, cross the aisle. Reach over, you're going to play a low note on the tuba on beat 4 of the first bar. Now, it gets even better, gets even easier. I'm telling you guys, I'm here for you, trying to make things easy on you. Just stay over here for the beginning of bar 2. And you're going to play another open tone on the beginning of bar 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Taka tiki taka tone tone. I'm sorry. Taka tiki taka tone tone. That's the way to do it. Taka tiki taka tone tone ting. And another tone right after the downbeat. Or beat. We're talking about the second bar now. So what tiki taka tone tone beep on the left hand. Taka tiki taka right left. So right left. Slap, slap, tone, tone, slap. We're almost there, you guys. We're 2/3 of the way done. We're just going to round third bass and come back to the same pattern that we've been practicing this whole time. We're going to do the last half of this. All right? 3 and 4 on the high drum. So, whole thing, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Come on. Let's do it. Let me put this. I'm going to put this on. I'm going to turn the congas down. And I'll play along. 1, 2, 3. Got it? It's okay. All right, you guys. Check it out. So this is, the full pattern. What do you guys think? Now, I want to remind you that there is notation available, all right? So you can get that at patreon.com/Kalani. By the way, we're doing this right now. I'm doing this at 170 beats per minute, which is what, 85? Is that 85? So this would be like 85, right? Or if you're counting, it's kind of where we feel it. Even it's like cut time. We call it cut time. Or 2-2. 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, instead of 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is be kind of our main step. So this is Pachanga, and what do you guys think? You think you can do this? Is there an alternative way of doing this that we need to know about? Leave it in the comments. If you have any information about the Pachanga rhythm you'd like to share with our community, you can do that below. If you'd like to learn more and you want to get serious about your playing, you can do that with me at patreon.com/Kalani. Either way, you guys, I want to thank you for dropping in and spending some time with me today. And I really hope that you guys, wherever you are, I hope you're finding the opportunity to make music with others and make music for others. Because we're doing this for one reason, and that's to elevate everyone's mood, to help celebrate, to spread some joy in the world, which is an amazing gift. It's an amazing thing, and it's an honor to be able to do that, and it's a privilege. So I want to applaud you if you're out there, and I hope you are playing, at least for yourself, and just elevate your mood, play with other people, make some friends, go play for some people so they can dance and sing. That doesn't get any better than that. All right, this is World Drum Club. Thanks for being on the mission with us. I'm Kalani. I'll see you at patreon.com/Kalani if you want to do more. In the meantime, have fun playing Pachanga, and I'll see you guys in another video.